Samboussa, a main dish from Djibouti. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Span style equals / font weight, bold semicolon / greater than for the dough, less than / span. Step 2. An nbsp, mix the flour with water, salt. Step 3. Knead into a ball. Span style equals / font weight, bold semicolon / greater than for the filling / span. Step 4. Put the meat in a frying pan and cook on the fire. Step 5. Cut the onions, green peppers and leeks cut into small pieces and add to pan. Step 6. Add salt and pepper and cook to desired taste. Step 7. Roll out the dough and heat it in a skillet. Step 8. Remove the dough and cut into 4 parts. Step 9. Put the filling into the dough and fold over the sides. Hold the sides together with a little flour and water. Step 10. Fry it in boiling oil. Step 11. Allow to cool several minutes before serving. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.